From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
The sector of a circle of radius 21 cm subtends an angle of 120 degrees at the center. Find the length of the arc of the sector. Remember, if this is a sector is just part of the circle. So this is the sector. So we are told that it subtends 120 degrees at the center and the radius is 21 cm. We are asked to look for this arc. This is the arc we're asked to look for. So we use formula for length of arc, which says the included angle over 360, which is angle at a point, times 2 pi r, perimeter of a full circle, because we're just looking for the perimeter of a fraction of the circle. So we just substitute 120 over 360 times 2 times 22 over 7 times 21. 120 can go 360 3 times. 3 can go 21 7 times. 7 can go 7, and 2 times 22 is 44. And so the length of this arc will be 44 cm, and that is C.